Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Tuesday, January 24th. It is a B day, it is a band makeup day, and I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. First up, today is Math Tip Tuesday, and here is Ms. Wilson with today's Math Tip.
Well, good morning. Hello there, math people. I'm Ms. Wilson with this week's Math Tip Tuesday, and today I wanted to focus on having conversations in math class and when learning math. We know that it's really important to engage in conversation when learning any new topic. So you need to not only talk about things and ask questions, but also listen to other people's ideas. So today I wanted to focus on multiplication, and specifically I thought of a memory that I have from third grade when my teacher at the time was teaching us our multiplication facts. So this is what my teacher's student did when asked to go up to the board and write the first 10 multiples. Watch closely. Did you notice what they did? So here's where the conversation comes in. I would like for us to engage as a building, as an entire school community, in thinking about what happened here and why does that work? Why was that student able to go up to the board and just write the digits 0 through 9 and then start at the bottom with 0 all the way up to 9 to make these 2-digit numbers that are the multiples of 9? So you will find a link to a flip grid to engage in this conversation, and that will be found on our Staff and Student Schoology course page. So please engage in that conversation.
Thank you so much, Ms. Wilson. Next up, it's time for our word of the week. This week's word is cultivate. Cultivate means to acquire or develop something, such as a crop, a skill, or an attitude. Here are Mr. Sage and Mrs. Iverson with a very special message.
Good morning, BMS. It is Mr. Sage here, proud principal at Bachman Middle School, and I have a special guest here with me today. Introduce yourself, please.
I am Miss Iverson.
And we are here for a very special occasion. Governor Tim Walz has proclaimed that this week is a big week because it is Paraprofessional Recognition Week.
Yes.
And we get to spend the entire week recognizing all of these amazing individuals that do such great work in our schools.
Yes, they do so much. They keep us teachers organized and on task, you kiddos as well.
And in addition to our appreciation that we're going to show this week, we ask that you do the same. Here at BMS, we have a very tight-knit and close family, and one of our core values is showing compassion and responsibility and integrity. So take a minute and thank these individuals for all of the hard work that they're doing each and every day. I know I speak on behalf of the entire BMS family when I say to all of our paraprofessionals, we appreciate you and all the work that you do.
More than you will ever know. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you do on a daily basis.
We are going to spend this week lots of time in Tiger Talk doing some highlights and showing some of the great things that are taking place in our school by these amazing individuals. We look forward to seeing that. Until next time, BMS, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Sage and Mrs. Iverson. We'll have more about Paraprofessionals Week all week. If there's a paraprofessional or classroom aide you would like to celebrate on Tiger Talk, send me a message or come find me. I'd love to feature the video. That's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more Tiger Talk. See you then.